Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So, are you ready to withdraw your earning from Zlink? Let's go through the steps quickly. First, open your Zlink dashboard in the top right corner. Then tap onto your profile icon. You have to tap onto the top right corner on your profile picture to access your account details. If there and add, simply skip it. Now you will see your total balance and payout balance. Want to earn from, scroll down to the check out additional earning option like refs and inviting friends. This can be helped to cash out faster once you are ready to scroll up and open the transaction. Now you have to enter your email address from here, like you can tap onto any game. Wait, let it load. I will show you how to do it. From here you just have to play these games, and after completing it, to proceed to cash out. And now select your withdrawal method, enter the amount you wish to withdraw and provide the payment details, and that's it. You have successfully withdrawn your money from Z in just a few simple steps. Enjoy your earnings. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.